Alright, today we're going to be tinting these corner lights, and I'm going to show you how I do that, so let's get started. First, you're going to want some wax and tar remover. Even though these are brand new out of the box, it's always good to do, just to kind of wipe it down. You're going to want to make sure the can of paint is warmed up. It helps lay it on smoother. So you're going to need a microfiber as well, and preferably some gloves, but you know, I don't have any right now, so we'll just get started. Alright, now that you've got them all cleaned up, you're going to want to take the paint and shake it very well. It says to shake it vigorously, so go ahead and shake it vigorously. Okay, now that we've been aggressive with the can, we're going to lightly coat these. Make sure to wear a respirator. Now don't go too thick on the coats, because right now it looks like it's still thin, but as it dries it gets darker. You don't want to go too dark. The more coats you do, the darker it'll be. You'll let it dry, and if it's still not dark enough, you could probably go another light coat over it and it'll be good. But these are dark enough. They're still not fully dry. You can see through them pretty fine, so once there's a light behind there, it'll still be legal enough to be visible. Looks good. So now we'll just probably hit this spot right here just to kind of give it a little extra, but we'll let them dry and put them back on the car. Well, there it is installed. You can see it still has the reflectiveness to it. Got it done on both sides. And it looks good, so hope the videos help someone wanting to tint their corner lights, headlights, or tail lights. This is the same method you'd use. You can go over this with a 2K clear, which is from Spray Max. This is spray gun quality clear coat. It even has a little button on the bottom where you take this little red piece, smash it in there, shake it up, and it mixes the hardener in, so it's literally spray gun paint put in a can. So if you want to do that, you can. It's like $20 a can, unless you can find it cheaper. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos.